And of course, as part of the 6th anniversary, because next month pa man ang ato ang anniversary, but technically I would like to share the things na for the first half of 2026 is what we have mentioned na tunga-tunga na ta sa tuig 2026, but syempre there are some funny moments that it is not really worth na dili nato i-share for those na medyo may konting bloopers ra ba. We cannot deny na makamali man ta sa to ang pamulong regardless kung tape or live, but of course this is quite na dili pwedeng di na nato i-share, but disclaimer, dili ni siya patama, but rather we'll share the funny moments that we had for this interviews and some other things na wala sa ato ang control. So for the meantime, first half of 2026, ang dami ko nang na interview, but of course with many things that wala sa ato ang control, na may mga instances na na funny na we do not know what will happen. It's unpredictable, kumbaga, attorney.
Ang iba dito, napanood ko na, pero siguro karamihan din dito, hindi ko pa napanood, kaya medyo excited din ako nito, CD.
Yes. So, regardless kung current events man or interviews, we will share it with all grace. Bloopers money or just a fun time, light moment with yours truly. Niya na ang ato ang funny moments and memorable experiences for the 6th anniversary sa Kadangpan Digital, just for the first half of the entire year 2026. Check this out. Murag si Dan na maigo ani, but likely probably tattoos are quite turned off to some boys, which currently it is going to be, I know you'll get hurt, pero yeah, the boys. And
I'm a really big fan. If I were given a choice, kung dili lang jud ko kanang sakit, dali gud masakitan.
Literally or figuratively.
Love is very, subjective. Emote. Yeah, issue.
So, of course, as an owner of a lab sustainable jewelry business, bebentahan ko kayo, ha. I'll tell you why you should buy lab-grown jewelry. No, but
don't be afraid.
Of course, I'll also choose lab-grown diamond. Tapos 6.5 pa ang ring size. Baka naman.
I don't know if it is applicable to Dana Gabriel with this topic, either a like or a dislike. I think this will be a challenging one. Love sa uyab over love of the career you wanted. A like or a dislike?
Love sa uyab?
Love sa uyab
versus
Yes.
career?
versus career, like na siguro.
Oh!
I love sa uyab?
Hindi kasi baka
okay,
kaya kang
okay.
buhayin ng boyfriend mo.
sige. Kung kaya niya ako buhayin, sige, go.
In the middle na lang. In the middle.
Oh, nagsabot yun. Oh my God, nagsabot. So, why in the middle, Dana?
Okay. Kasi pangarap ko na maging Pilates wife na lang. Parang housewife lang ako nag-aalaga. Kaya exactly. I mean, kidding aside, no?
How well do you know Israel Damaula?
actually, kay Friends Give Me Sir, kay way back 2021, nag-join me og we represented our institute, the Institute of Teacher Education, kay belong man sa ITED, sa DNSC po ang BACOM. Tapos, nag-join me, Mr. and Miss DNSC, we represented ITED way back in 2021. Tapos, ato nga time, kagikan pa nag-pandemic, so, in-house to siya, sir. So, we stayed for at least a week sa dorm sa DNSC. So, dito, we got closer. Tapos, we are actually friends up until now, sir.
Yes.
Friends, give me.
Oo, ganit. But what is the impression that you had sa iyang nga na personality?
Ay, sa iyang, if we are to talk about personality, good sir, very jolly good si Israel. Like, very jolly. Especially during 2021, sir, kay mga bata pa kay miyato mo, pagsulod yun sa college. So, very jolly. Sige, dili mahimutang. Mga yun ang personality ni Israel. Pero if we are to talk about intellectually good sir, grabe, I'm always amazed yun sa intellectual capacity ni Israel, sir, kay kato nag-join mi og pageant, so nagyud mi mga Q&A sessions, tapos kana yung mga words gid sir nga unsa man nga word kanang, even though I'm an English major sir, ba kay ma-amaze gid ko sa kawide sa iyang vocabulary gid sir. Mao jud ako permi ginabalik-balik sa iya actually.
Oo. On the record ni siya ha, kaya long before nga nakailang ni Israel kay syempre intern man siya sa different media entities. At tinanay mo siyang reporter, then laagan good siya.
Laag.
Oo. That's all. Welcome, Miss Christine Bermudo. Mabuhay og madayaw.
Mabuhay og Badayaw. I am Jamelka Morales Tuang, 19 years old, proudly representing Barangay Talomo proper.
Uy, kabarangay banday na ko ni. Aya, taga Talomo proper man ko.
Oh, really?
Aya, probably you understand a little Bisaya?
Yes. During my audition process, giingnan ko sa mga judges kung kabalo ba ko mabisaya, and then giingnan nila na ako na mabisaya ako for the rest of the audition process. Dili daw ko pwede mag-English, pero nag-ingon sa ko na konyo kaya akong bisaya kay ado man ko sa una. So, yeah.
Very intriguing, but you have to get used to it
I have to. My fellow candidates also helped me karon nakatuo ko unsay bisaya ng slide. Danlog.
Kami na lang po. Palawit lang. Mini mo. I say, here we go. Gara.
Okay, first of all, congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Kamusta naman ang team? Okay, kumusta naman?
Yes. Oh, wow.
None other than in the accent that I can understand, Laila, temporada pratuma. Sawadi ka.
Sawadika. Good morning. Mabuhay, Madayaw.
Ladies and gentlemen, sorry, MMD, if I have to sing this right now. She is none other than Reyna Kobayashi. Ang hiling ni kanyang kagwapa.
Wala pa taada, oy.
Mabuhay og madayaw.
Mabuhay og madayaw, sir. Yeah.
How do you defend them? Attorney.
Di naman. I'm not a fan of history.
Especially, you don't want to go back to the past na nasakitan ka. Charet!
Grabe naman siya. Hindi naman. Kapuyan lang ko og ka ng understand.
Oo. Si Israel Camacho Damaul.
Unsa man si Israel ha? Wait lang. Unsa man ang word bagay kay Israel?
Naapag-ayo. Nagtanaw ba yan?
Hindi mo kadaghan kayo words nga maka-describe sa iya ha. But if one word lang, unsa man si Israel? Wala ka maisip. Wala ka maisip Israel. Unsa man siya ay? If I were to like one word for Israel, maybe peace, sir. Peace.
I-check ko para sure.
Take your time po, ma'am. Kadang pang Carlo Dolier, describe me in one word.
Like you say. It's just a joke.
Happy Valentine's Month, Happy Hearts Month sa tanang mga married couples, pero alang sa mga single moms, Happy National Smile Day. Smile na lang ta para dili ta mabitter.
Hopefully that this crisis will end and
Yes.
able for us to, bring back the business, especially in our region.
Yeah. Kindly bear with Thomas because he cannot understand much of what we're saying. But, ma'am, I like to ask, Binibining Sindangan 2025, Abigail de la Serna Balili.
Yes, that's what I really thought isa lang sila ni Ate Rebecca. Lahi di ay. I'm so sorry for that. If I were to be asked,
I think 27 to 28 would be an ideal age to get married.
Oh.
Yeah.
Layot na ko sa akong kalendaryo. Wala ko.
Yes, sir. Sige lang, sir. Your tadhana will be there in a while. I hope so. Let's pray for that.
I think I have brought something for you, which I bring from Davao with
Oh
love.
my gosh, what's
This is
this?
Malagos chocolates.
Really? Thank you.
Yes.
I love chocolates. I'm a sweet tooth.
Wow.
Thank you so much. Thank you very
Yes.
much.
And
This is much appreciated. I'm so sorry, sir. I don't have any. Kasi agikan pa ko sa school and I haven't prepared something for you.
it's just fine. What's
Thank you,
important
thank you.
is you had much in store for us. I think I have brought something all the way from Davao.
Hello, alam mo, taste na ako ni. It's
Yes,
this Lola
this is
Abons.
Durian candy.
Uy, I love durian candies.
Wow.
Dili kayo kung nag-aitog ka ng durian
Na fruit
pero pag candy kay, hangol kay kuha na. Ganahan siya kay ko sa lasa. Di mer siya smell bito sa durian na actual na fruit.
I brought something from Davao.
Durian. I love durian. Thank you.
oo.
Thank you, sir.
Durian coffee yema from Lola Abons.
Oh, thank you. Thank you
Also,
po.
a souvenir shirt from Davao.
Hello, sir. Thank you. From Davao, guys.
Yes. And of course,
Thank
a
you,
keychain
sir.
from Davao.
Sir, dili naman siya require, pero thank you kayo, sir. Thank
Yeah.
you. Thank you po.
Yes. Bas hindi ay nga muduaw na siya Davao po.
Pohon!
Alright, so mao to ang first half of 2026.
Ang
And I did not
dami-dami pala noon. Katong, of course, tong first portion sa ato mga raining mood siya at that time na appeal ko ato nag-interview nila. Makainom-nom yun ko nga. Lingaw to kaayo. Sila
Yeah.
tulo, no?
Oo. Puro tawa na ako nadunggan gyud not unnecessarily yun na ano, but
Mm.
it's worth it na ano ma-share natin
Yeah.
further.
Oo.
So,
oo. So
Yun lang.
anyway, looking
Yan.
forward to the remaining of the year, no? Kasi napatay mga lain pang mga surprises po diha o mga memorable ansa, mga events or memorable instances na to ma-share.
yes. Unang bungad pa lang na attorney no kay for the next episodes kay up to mahuman ang September ako nang ipagawas tanan kay katong mga memorable interviews that we had cause we will only allocate a portion of our show as part of the mandate that I had cause in every anniversary dili pwedeng di na nako maambit katong how is that ano been through sa kadang pan digital and of course kay 2 months ang anniversary period nato namo na po for this period